Hi everybody, I'm Chris with Teed and Brown, and today I'm going to address the most popular question we get during the summer, and that is, how long should I water? It's a great question. It's got a very frustrating answer, unfortunately, and that is, it depends. You see, there's so many different factors that play into how long you should be watering your lawn. For example, how much water pressure do you have and how much actually comes out of the sprinklers? Chances are you don't really know that off the top of your head, but that's going to affect drastically how long you should be running the sprinklers in order to get the right amount of water down. What's the soil like on your property? How much sun versus shade in each section? All these things play into the amount of time you're going to need to get the right amount of water down on the grass. So there's not an easy answer, unfortunately, but we're going to go ahead and give you some guidance here anyway, in a way to get you in the right ballpark, so to speak. Try watering 45 minutes per section 3 times a week. 45 minutes per section 3 times a week. That's about the average that a normal sprinkler system and a normal lawn will need. Your lawn is probably not normal, so you're going to have to keep an eye on things after that and see whether or not it's browning out or staying lush and green. You might want to back off a little bit and water less if it's really green and doing well, and if it's browning out, take a few pictures and send them to us just so we can make sure that it's indeed drought stress that we're dealing with, and then you can increase the amount of water from there. So 45 minutes 3 times a week will give you a really good number to start at, and then you can adjust from there. Now, if you're in an area, if you're in a city with water restrictions, then I would say go to 60 minutes twice a week. That's not quite as good, but it should be good enough to keep things relatively healthy. And then again, adjust from there until you've got it dialed into what you need. If you have any further questions, reach out to us. Thank you for joining me again. I'm Chris with Teed and Brown.